Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now for a starter guys, let me just tell you that many of my midweek signals have actually hit the take profit level instantly, but unfortunately have not been triggered. As you can see, EURUSD, AUDUSD, USDCAD, USDJPY, NZDUSD, all of them have almost hit the take profit level. Of course, the gold, I really avoided sending any signal on it because we didn't actually expect what was going to happen next on the gold, but as you can see, it has crashed. So for that, let's wait for a new deal of the day, which will be most likely now on the gold. Sorry, later, I mean on the gold. But for now, let's focus on our new deal of the day, which will be on the pound AUD. So let me just share with you my thoughts on this pair. As you can see right now, what we're having here is a broken level of a support trend line. Of course, that is based on the daily chart. And as you can see right here, guys, this level of support trend line has been respected since 18th of January, since the beginning of this year. We also have right here another support trend line, and finally here another support trend line, and finally also we have here the bearish breakout from that level, which happened earlier. Actually, no, I think this was on Friday. Yeah, Friday, yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So as you can see, right now the market is approaching the same level of the broken support trend line and most likely will create a new resistance trend line. So therefore, we can actually look for opportunity to sell this pair. Now let's combine this with the resistance level. So as you can see right here exactly at 1.91669, we do have a strong level of a resistance which has been respected repeatedly. Then we have here barely any breakout happened with only one single attempt of the support, and then the same level of real resistance has been respected 2 times at least. Now remarkably, we have here this major breakout from that level, but also zero support. Not a single support in the horizon. So that means that the market has just been respecting that level as a resistance. Then as a support, it was zero retest on it, or actually zero respect on it. And as we can see, it just break out instantly from it. And now we can expect now here a new resistance to happen. So we will have here a new resistance trend line as I have stated earlier, plus a new resistance on horizontal level. So that means that I think it's going to be a good idea to short the pound AUD right on that level. Now, to have more confirmation on that, and again, we're still on the daily chart, right here we also have a resistance trend line, and check this out. So that level of a resistance trend line has been also respected. It became here a support trend line only for once, and then it became instantly after this bearish breakout candle a new resistance trend line. So this was resistance trend line number 1, and we can safely, and I think safely, hopefully it will be safely, to sell the same pair exactly right here at the same level of a resistance trend line number 2. So that being said, let's now move to the smaller time frame and let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now based on the 4-hour time frame, we have to look at the real level of the resistance. So actually guys, on the daily chart, we found the we confirmed that this pair is going to continue the fall. Now on the smaller time frame, we have to identify our entry. So as you can see, I need to highlight the real level of a resistance, and check this out. That is exactly what I will do. As you can see right here, 1.91805 is actually the real level of the resistance, and I think this was the nearest resistance to the current breakout candle. Yes, indeed. So as you can see, this was the bearish breakout candle, and this level of a resistance right here was the nearest one. So right here also, we do have after the bearish breakout candle, we have here also a resistance level. That being said, let's wait for the pound AUD to rise again to reach the same level of that resistance before we can start shorting it. And just to have another confirmation, maybe we can use the Fibonacci retracement. I think I didn't do this before recording. Let's see, hopefully it will be, yes, yes, it's almost at 61.8, which is a good sign also. So therefore guys, let's wait for the pound AUD to rise to another like 60 pips before we can start shorting it. Of course, for the pound AUD, that's actually nothing. As you can see guys, just today, the pound AUD rose for about 170 pips. This one candle right here, this candle, this 4-hour candle went for about 143 pips. So waiting for this pair to rise to another 60 pips is actually nothing. It might happen by tomorrow. Therefore, let's have a better entry, a better take profit level. So our take profit level will be right here at the absolutely lowest level of a support at 1.89824, which means we will actually be expecting to make approximately 100, actually no, we can make it even 200 pips of profit, hopefully. Yes, just like that. Yes. So 200 pips profit from this signal, and the stop loss that shouldn't be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance for about 111 pips. Guys, we have to trade this pair as if we are trading the gold, because you cannot trade the pound AUD like EURUSD or even pound USD. We are talking about tons of pips right now. A small movement right here can give us a lot of pips, and that's how we will treat the pound AUD. Anyway, let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the pound AUD for tomorrow, Thursday. Hopefully it will be a good signal, and hopefully we will make good profits with it. And of course, another reminder to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. So if I have noticed any price action going against our direction, I will inform you guys directly to close this signal immediately before it reaches the stop loss. So if you are joining this group, you will be trading with Xtreme Trader team, and hopefully we will all help each other to get the best results in trading Forex. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.